Ever wonder how scientists discovered the intricate endocannabinoid system in our body? Well, it's a tale woven with curiosity and the pursuit of understanding. Cannabis, a plant with a history dating back over 1,000 years, has always piqued human interest due to its varied effects. But it wasn't until the mid-20th century that this curiosity led to a scientific breakthrough. Imagine the year of 1964, a time of exploration and discovery. Enter Raphael Mechoulam, an Israeli scientist, who successfully isolated the psychoactive compound in cannabis, tetrahydrocannabinol, or as we know it today, THC. This groundbreaking discovery opened the door to a world of possibilities and questions. What if our bodies produce similar compounds? And what if these compounds had their own system within our body? These questions led to the discovery of the endocannabinoid system, a crucial part of our biology that we're still learning about today. Intriguing, isn't it? Unraveling the mysteries of our body one step at a time. Imagine a complex network of receptors and enzymes in your body, working together to maintain balance. This is not a figment of your imagination. This is the endocannabinoid system, a fascinating discovery from the late 20th century. Our story begins in the 1980s, a vibrant decade of scientific exploration. Researchers were investigating the effects of THC, the psychoactive component of cannabis. To their surprise, they stumbled upon a previously unknown system in the body. This system, they found, interacted with THC, leading to its varied effects. They named it the endocannabinoid system, a nod to endo, meaning within, and cannabinoid, referencing its interaction with cannabis. The endocannabinoid system is a marvel of biology. It's a complex network of receptors, enzymes, and endocannabinoids, molecules produced by our bodies that resemble those found in cannabis. These components work in harmony, like an orchestra playing a symphony. As the researchers delved deeper, they discovered two types of receptors within this system. They named them CB1 and CB2 receptors. CB1 receptors are primarily found in the brain, influencing our mood, memory, and perception of pain. CB2 receptors, on the other hand, are more common in the immune system, playing a crucial role in inflammation and immune response. The 1990s saw further revelations. Scientists identified the first endocannabinoid, a molecule called anandamide. This molecule, named after the Sanskrit word ananda meaning bliss, binds to CB1 receptors, influencing our mood and perception. But what makes the endocannabinoid system truly remarkable is its role in maintaining homeostasis, the body's internal balance. From appetite to sleep, immune response to mood regulation, this system ensures our body functions optimally. It's like an inbuilt conductor, ensuring every part of the body orchestra plays in tune. So, we have a system in our body that helps keep things running smoothly. But what exactly does it do? Well, that's a fascinating journey of its own, and we'll dive into it in our next segment. Stay tuned. What if you had a personal bodyguard inside you, protecting you from harm and ensuring everything is in order? Well, in a way, you do. It's called the endocannabinoid system, and it's a real multitasker. Picture this. You're in a bustling city, cars honking, people chattering, the scent of food wafting through the air. You're navigating through all this chaos, but you're not overwhelmed. Why? Because you have a guide, an internal GPS, helping you make sense of it all. That's what the endocannabinoid system does inside your body. It helps maintain balance amidst the cacophony of biological processes. Let's delve into its various roles. First up is mood regulation. Ever wondered why you feel relaxed after a workout? That's your endocannabinoid system at work, producing those feel-good chemicals. It's like a built-in stress reliever, helping you stay even-keeled amidst life's ups and downs. Next, we have immune response. When an unwanted invader like a virus enters your body, the endocannabinoid system is one of the first lines of defense. It's like a bouncer at a club deciding who gets in and who gets the boot. This system helps regulate immune responses, ensuring they're not too strong or too weak. And let's not forget about pain management. When you stub your toe or burn your finger, it's the endocannabinoid system that helps dull the pain. It's like your body's personal anesthesiologist stepping in to take the edge off when things get a bit too painful. But that's not all. The endocannabinoid system also plays a role in other important functions like sleep regulation, appetite control, and even memory processing. It's a busy system, constantly working behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly. As you can see, the endocannabinoid system is quite the multitasker. But what happens when things go wrong? Stay tuned as we explore this fascinating system's role in drug interactions, and what can happen when the delicate balance it maintains gets disrupted. Now, what if we could use knowledge about this system to develop medications? This is where the endocannabinoid system and drug interactions come into the picture. Scientists are exploring the potential therapeutic applications of manipulating the endocannabinoid system. By tweaking this system, we might be able to treat a wide range of conditions, from chronic pain to anxiety and even neurodegenerative disorders. But how do we do this? Well, one way is through the use of cannabis and synthetic cannabinoids. Yes, you heard right, cannabis. The same plant that has been surrounded by controversy for years might just hold the key to some groundbreaking treatments. Cannabis and synthetic cannabinoids interact with the endocannabinoid system in a complex way. They bind to the same receptors as our body's own endocannabinoids, essentially mimicking their effects. This can result in a variety of potential benefits, such as pain relief, reduced inflammation, and even a decrease in symptoms for conditions like PTSD and multiple sclerosis. But as with any medication, it's not all rainbows and butterflies. There can be drawbacks. Because the endocannabinoid system is so intricately involved in many physiological processes, manipulating it can also lead to adverse effects. These might include changes in mood, impaired memory, and in some cases, dependency. Furthermore, the interaction between cannabinoids and other drugs can be tricky. For instance, cannabinoids can affect the metabolism of certain drugs, altering their effectiveness. Therefore, it's crucial to consider these interactions when prescribing cannabinoids or using them in conjunction with other medications. Despite these challenges, the potential of the endocannabinoid system as a therapeutic target is too promising to ignore. It's a fascinating field that's just beginning to be explored, and every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the full potential of this complex system. As we continue to learn more about the endocannabinoid system, who knows what possibilities we might uncover.